Hi traders, today is 29th of August 2019. We are now live. Day trading crude oil market, futures contract October 2019. So at this moment, the US session just opened. I mean, we are entering the US session, and time now is 9:02 a.m. in the morning, New York time. And at this moment, we are already on short sell signal. So as you can see from my live trading signal, I have broadcast same order for sell stop limit at 56.04 and target profit at 55.92 with the risk around 23 ticks. So there's a link below, please take a look on the link. Okay, let's go back to the chart. So the market did reverse back to the upper side. I'm still waiting for it to go further down. This could be a quick immediate US scalping session. We are expecting to close the position within a few minutes with the target price around 250 to 400 US dollar in terms of the profit. It depends on how many position size you are in the market. Okay, looks good at this moment. Not really good, but still on the negative side. Okay, minus 20. So let's take a look on the volume. We can see there is some spike of volume on the bottom side of the price level, current price level. Once the level penetrate, so I'm expecting for the price to have a better 4C at around 85 or 86. Okay, there's still no. Okay, looks good at this moment. We are hoping to take profit for a quick scalp. Another few more ticks. Should be this around 11 ticks. So I'm expecting for the market to be somewhere far more bottom here, but I think this is last night. Today should be a good one because we're entering at exactly at 9 a.m. London session. So I'm expecting for the market to go only for a quick. So at this moment, okay, we exit the market. Okay, so the profit today is around 11 ticks. So the price might go further down. Okay, this one is a quick one. Maybe try to find another scalping some more once the price hit. So it's quite easy to identify the market that now is the profit taking activity. There's a quick reversal, but the market still have the tendency to go further down. Second TP should be also from my London session strategy. There's a signal, also short sell position at a 55.97 and with the target profit around 30 ticks. So I will have to wait maybe for reversal because this signal from London session, this is near to the already in the US session, but still valid for the short sell position. Let's go back to the chart so see what actually happened. So let's take a look if we can find another short sell position on the upper side. So there's not much interesting. Maybe another pullback. Okay, from London session, there's a big the totally reversal, but we have to wait for the. So that's the price of 55.97 from my London session. I'm supposed to exit. Sorry, I'm supposed to go entry at this moment. Wait. Okay, still no spike on the volume. There's quite regular everywhere. You can see this one is a regular volume. So this is a day trading strategy for US session scalping, and there's a link below. Please find it for the technique, the setup, and also the live broadcast channel. I think we can get another entry from the London session. Let's take a look first how long it took us for this quick 100. So if you're entering 2 lots, so should be around 2 plus. So around 3 minutes. We're entering at 9:01 a.m. Now it's 9:04 a.m. Looks good. Market go further down. Drawers is 85 as expected, but I did ask all my traders to close early because this is the first wave. Should be another pullback, and there will be another signal later on. And only 110 today, not much, but it's good enough. So there's no spike except on the higher side. As well, from my trading signal, I've made a small mistake here. I put TP at 55.92, but I accidentally put it 55.93 on my chart. So I'm sorry for that. And yeah, it's nothing. Both still profit. So the London session TP is at, let me check, should be at 55.70. Also already triggered and enter the market, and it's a good thing. Both in line align. I haven't managed to enter the London session signal. I'm busy answering a lot of Telegram and WhatsApp information. A lot of question as well. But it's a good thing. We profit. So as you can see, we did enter somewhere here, then exit the market. So guys, feel free to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like, share, or comment below. And you have interested in the learning this technique, might be a link below. And also there also my live broadcast channel down there. Just click, there's a free trial for limited time offer. So see you next week. Happy tradings. Goodbye.